Welcome back to the TechSpace, and in this video I want to show you guys what the features are for ArcGIS. If you want to watch the full tutorial on ArcGIS, why it costs $3,000, why I have it, and all of that, I will have that in separate videos. But again, in this video I just wanted to tell you guys about the features that it has and what it does. Now basically what ArcGIS is database modeling software, and it can do much more than that, much more than modeling. But basically what it's used for is database modeling. If you have a set of data and you want to create a model for something, ArcGIS is like the best software to use. So I'll put a link to their webpage if you want to check that out in the description below. They'll give you obviously a more in-depth explanation of what it is. Here at the end of this video, what the features were, and explain to you guys that I am, and again the database and all of that. I just realized that I had this for 4 years, but it's just been sitting somewhere, so I just found it. I'm downloading it right now, so I'm going to add that up on Twitter, and I will have the tutorials on all the different features, how to use them, and all of that good stuff up again on ArcGIS. So if you want, or if you are interested in that, stay tuned. But other than that, enjoy the rest of this video, and at the end of this video I'll show you guys, I'll give you a little explanation of what a few of the features are, just as a sneak peek, well, not sneak peek, just as like a little glance at what ArcGIS is. Because I know if you clicked on this video, you're probably interested in what it looks like and all of that good stuff. So again, enjoy the rest of the video, subscribe, like, and I will see you guys next time.